Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to add stock real-time database in Excel. You see here I have mentioned to stock Reliance and Lawson Tubro their 52-week high price. These values are linked, automatically linked with this share price value. This is real values. If it's just say if I click that, these are the figures. I can put any figure here. These are the summary of the list I am able to get. I will get 52-week high, lot, percentage changes, currency, high, low value. So I can add number of share here. These all data picked from the form from automatic, and I have mentioned my quantity purchase quantity. Sorry. And I will get my real-time portfolio value. What is my current market value? So we'll learn how to do that. So suppose you need Reliance share value here. So I will type company name Reliance. Now from how this Reliance share will link with the market share, you have to just go to this data tab. Here there is a new option in Office 365 and Excel 2019. So this option is available only if you have that version. Just click on this stock and it will check with the Reliance name how many stocks are there. So as per him, Reliance Industry, Reliance Communication. Now suppose I know I need Reliance Industry Bombay Stock Exchange. I click it. You can also, if you know the code exchange, then if you type that in, it will automatically get updated. Now the Reliance Industry share is linked with the Excel sheet, and if I click on this tab, I will get various field. So I have to just type which field, like I required 52-week high, 52-week low. So it's to be changed 52-week high, 52-week low, and now I require current market price. So I will get the real price and my market value will get portfolio. And another share, suppose I required for Lawson and Tobro, I just go to data tab, stock, and it will give me the Lawson and Tobro share. I will select that. Now again I don't have to go there and insert the data, because here if you see it's a formula. It is actually a B5 into a 52 wheeler, so I can easily copy paste it and I will get the real market value. Also, if it's always better to convert this into a table. So for converting into a table, press Ctrl T. Yeah, I want this table from A4. My table has a header. Now benefit of this, if I add any new share, so I can add any new company share like Tata Motors. It will check the share. So I target the Tata Motor, and this field are automatically updated. I have to just mention my purchase quantities was my purchase quantity, and then my market value get automatically updated. So this is very good feature as done by Excel. I don't have to update my real market price value here. I can analyze the share and I just open the Excel and get to my real price. Hope you like these videos. If you like my videos, please comment on my videos and type what type of new videos you required. Thanks for watching.